In order to add Instagram feed to our Teachable course landing page or any other website in general, we are going to use another website called Snap Widget. The Snap Widget creates a lot of widgets that you can easily use to show the feed from your Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts on your websites. So you can go to snapwidget.com and create an account. So once you create an account, go through the sign up process, you will come to this dashboard. You can also come to the dashboard by clicking your name and clicking on dashboard. Once you are here, just click on choose a service. It will ask you which service do you want to connect. So Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. In this example, we are looking at Instagram. So let's click on Instagram. Now it will say which type of layout do you want. Do you want the images to show in a grid or like scrolling, board? These are different layouts. So I'm going to start with the grid. So let's take the grid layout. Now says let's configure the widget. So click on it. You might see this message. They are simply asking you to just go for the Pro plan. If you want to go for the Pro plan, you can sign up for a 14-day free trial. But since we are just testing this feature, I would continue with the free version. So to do that, you have to scroll down and click on continue to use a free widget. So click on that. And this will show you the widget. Now we need to configure it. By default, it is showing some random images. We click on the username. When you click on this, it will ask you to sign in, and we'll do sign in with Instagram. It might ask you to log in into Instagram if you are not already logged in. In this case, I'm already logged into my Instagram account. So I'm just going to allow this app to access my Instagram account. So once it accesses your account, it's gonna pull up the recent Instagram posts. So username is there. It's your description. You can add something like latest Instagram posts. You can also choose a thumbnail size like 250, or you can change it if you want. Let's try that. 300. Okay, so these are a little bigger images. I'll stick to the default, which is 250. You can also choose the column layout 3x2, so like 3 images and 2 rows. So then you can choose to have photo border if you want, or background color. There's few other settings that you can choose. In the hover effect, what do you want to show? Like if I'm hovering on it, what is showing? This is showing the caption. You can change it to some of these features are in the Pro. Like if I go to some of these, they might be in the Pro plan. So but let's start with the caption. And then responsive, this is important. Keep it no for now, because what I have seen is like if you choose yes in responsive, it doesn't look good on the Teachable landing page. So we'll stick with the responsive as no. Once you are done with your setting changes, click on get widget, and then it will show you the code. What we need to do is we just need to simply get this code. So click on copy to clipboard, and now let's go to our Teachable codes. So this is a dummy Teachable course that I have created, and it's a test course. So go to pages, and let's see, we want to install this Instagram feed on our sales page. So this is our sales page, test sales page, where I want to install that Instagram feed. So click on edit. Before we add this, I want to show you how this page looks like right now. So click on preview, and this is how the course looks like. There is nothing in there, nothing, no text, but I want to show you how to add the code. So we just copied the code from Snap Widget, and I'm going to add a new block. You can also use an existing block if it's already out there on your landing page, but in this case I'm going to add a new liquid HTML block. So add that, and now you copy the code that you got from Snap Widget. So this is pasted now, and I'm going to save it, and let's hit on preview, see what happened. So this is how our Instagram feed is looking on the landing page, but you notice like right now it's not centered. So what I can do is I can go back and add a tag. So this is a HTML tag to center the content. So this is just start of the tag, this is the end of the tag. So we will do that and save, and then I'm going to open the window again, click preview. Now you can see that this has been centered. So you can move this anywhere on the landing page, like you can move the blocks if you want to, move it down. You can move it down. Let's say I want to move it below the FAQs, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so it's below the FAQs now. Let's preview the page again. Okay, so you can see it's showing right here. So what happens is, if someone goes to a landing page, they hover over this, they will see the caption that was added to this Instagram post, and if they click on it, they will be taken to Snap Widgets website, where they can see this image in detail. But you can also send this link to an Instagram account. So what happens is, if someone would click on this, they can be taken to an Instagram account, but that feature is only available in the Pro plan of Snap Widget. So you can do that. If you like this feature, you can go to Snap Widget and sign up for their Pro plan. So if you can, once you're done editing, you can close this and you will see all the widgets that you have created on your dashboard. You can also create a new widget and test with it. If you want to embed in another website, or maybe you want to use a different format, you can use some of the other options here, like Twitter feed or Instagram board or Instagram scrolling. You can use one of these options and to embed on your website. If you do not want to use Snap Widget, you can then just go back to your Instagram account. Let me refresh this. And at some point you don't want to use this, you can just come to your Instagram account, go to apps and websites and remove the access. So once you remove the access, Snap Widget won't be able to access your account and this widget can stop working. So now you know how to embed Instagram feed on your landing pages, and also how you can then later on, if not needed, you can disable this. There is one more widget that I would like to show you, and that is the Instagram pop-up. So you can also show this on a landing page if you wish. Because I disconnected it, it's gonna again ask me to sign in with Instagram. I'm going to quickly do that. So this is how you can show a pop-up on your landing page. So I'm gonna use exactly the same thing. I'm not gonna make any changes for now so that it's quick. So click on Get Widget, copy to clipboard. I'll again go back to that test page, copy the code again, and I'm gonna save it. And I'm going to hit on preview. So right now you see that Instagram post even came as a pop-up on the left side. So this is another way you can show the Instagram widget. So play around with it. There are a few other widgets for Instagram that you might like, and you might be able to use it. If needed, you can sign up for their Pro plan as well. So hope you like this tip, and let me know in the comments. Thanks.